In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio project to a Wix website. Let's get started by navigating to the Wix homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it, then enter your account details. Once logged in, you'll select the website you want to edit. This will lead you to the dashboard of that specific site. From the dashboard, you'll notice an option called Edit Site. Click on it, and it'll take you to the Wix editor, your virtual playground where you can modify and deck out your website pages. Now that we're in the editor, it's time to add a portfolio section. On the left-hand toolbar, you'll find a plus sign or an add button. Selecting this will present you with various options. We need to choose portfolio, or you can conveniently type projects into the search bar to filter the options. You'll be presented with a few layout choices like grid, carousel, or masonry. Pick one that suits your style, then simply drag and drop it onto your page at your preferred location. Now that you've got the portfolio section in place, it's time to add a project. Click on the portfolio section you just added, and you'll see an option to manage projects or manage items. Click that to dive into your project control panel. Here you'll notice a button for new project or add item. Clicking on it lets you fill in all the exciting details about your project, from the title and description to uploading images or videos that showcase your work. If you have links or buttons that provide additional information or direct users elsewhere, you can add those here as well. Once you've added your projects, you might want to organize them. Dragging projects around lets you reorder them as you wish. For added personality, use the design option to tweak your layout, colors, hover effects, and text styles. Additionally, if you want your site to shine on mobile devices, you have the mobile editor at your disposal to ensure everything is just right on smaller screens. If you're keen on detailing your projects further, consider linking them to dedicated project pages. This can be done by selecting link or change layout for each project, with options to open in a new page or a lightbox. We're almost done, but before publishing, let's preview the site to see how everything flows. Click Preview at the top right to ensure all links, images, and descriptions are on point. If everything looks great, take a deep breath and hit Publish. Your pristine new portfolio section is now live and ready for the world to see.